If you are looking to really test your accuracy under pressure, then I've got the drill for you. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Workman, and I am here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to better protect yourself and your family. Today we're going to be shooting the Guerrilla Approach Consistency Drill. I'm super excited to really push myself and challenge myself with this, so let's get started. First, if you are new to concealed carry or you just want to get better at concealing your gun, I want to give you something that's really going to help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. So click that link in the description below. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So click that link in the description. I also want to mention it's super important to have trauma gear when you're on the range and just out in everyday life. So if you need good quality trauma gear, then go check out my friends over at Mountain Man Medical. My affiliate link is in the description below. All right, so the Guerrilla Approach Consistency Drill. So this is a really challenging drill that's really going to focus on accuracy under pressure. So we're doing this from 3 yards, and I'm going to start here and work my way down. These smaller circles require 1 shot. So 1 shot in each of those all the way across, 2 shots in the bigger circles. And then of course down here, you're transitioning from 1 to 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So the really tricky part, this is at 3 yards, but these targets are really small and it's really quick transitions. I have 25 seconds, that's the par time, to get these hits in. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it today. I kind of have my doubts, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. So I also wanna mention when we're at the range and we're doing these drills, it's easy to kind of get in our heads and beat ourselves up and be frustrated. Whether I reach my goal of getting it in the par time or not, I'm still gonna encourage myself, work on what I need to work on. That's the reason we train. That's the reason we do these drills, is to figure out what our weaknesses are and what we need to work on. So if you need to start your time at 35 seconds, 45 seconds, 50 seconds, that's totally fine. Do it without a timer. Just give it a try the first few times and get comfortable getting those hits in. That accuracy is gonna make it pretty challenging with the targets being so small anyway, so the time pressure just adds to the stress. If you counted, there are 20 shots required from this. So in my Glock 19, I have 15 rounds, so at some point during this craziness, I'm gonna have to switch mags and keep on shooting. So I also wanna mention I am using my Range Tech shot timer today, which connects to my phone through Bluetooth. So my phone kind of serves as the screen. If you don't have a shot timer, first of all, it's really important to have one for training so that you can really push your speed. Range Tech is not a sponsor. I don't have an affiliate link with them or anything. I just think they're an awesome product, and they're also like the cheapest on the market, and they're just a really quality product that works well. So I'll link their website down below. All right, 3 yards, 25 seconds. Here we go. Whew. So definitely more challenging than I thought. Let's go look at the target. All right, so something that kind of completely slipped my mind is that I'm at 3 yards, which means where I'm aiming, it's gonna go quite a bit lower because my sights are set, you know, for a little bit more yardage than that. So I was aiming right here. So I pulled low on those first 3 shots for sure, completely missed it. That was a hit. I kind of got my sights figured out at that point and figured out, okay, I need to aim just a little bit high. This one, I'm not sure what happened on that one. I don't know if I pulled low or where that one went. I don't know, but there's that one there. I'm gonna call that a hit. That's a hit because that's a line break. That's a hit. That one and that one I'll call hits too. That one hits, that's a line break, so those are both hits. This one was way low left. This was right during my reload, if you notice. So getting back on target, I just rushed that one too much. 2 there, missed that one. I think this was 2 right here, actually. That's the one from that one, so that's a miss. That's a hit because it's a line break. Those are a hit, and I'm gonna call that a miss too. So definitely more challenging than I thought. I was way over time too. So I shot those in 34. So that was my time. Not thrilled with that. It's, you know, if you don't get all your hits in that 25, then you didn't pass it. So I didn't pass that one, but definitely challenging. I'm definitely gonna work on target transitions especially. So now I know what I need to work on. So if you want to try this yourself, I would definitely encourage you to do that. I'm gonna link just the Google image where I got this thing. You can get it for free online. It's definitely worth trying out. It's super challenging, especially those quick transitions to those small targets. But I'm gonna take a picture of this. I'm going to log it, and next time I go to do it again, hopefully I'll see some improvement. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and comment and let me know what other drills do you guys want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.